The cryptocurrency asset class necessitates a diverse portfolio. Sure, you could buy Bitcoin and profit from it till the end of time. Individuals who are actively managing their portfolios and looking for inexpensive buy-ins with a high outlook are those who are looking to actually invest in the advancement of blockchain technology. This token is already up a stunning 1,290% since its inception 3 years ago. Will this token surge as we say it would? Welcome to Crypto Safe. In today's video, we're going to talk about our gem coin for Q2, its analysis, and why we think it has the potential to do 40x. To our supporters, we would love to grow the channel and to create an open discussion on macroeconomics and privacy options. Hence, do like, subscribe, and comment under this video. Show the channel some love, as YouTube algorithm seems to not be our friend. Before we dive into the potential of the token and how big this thing is going to be in the near future, let's take a good look at how this token is doing presently. RSR pricing has been trading sideways since May, while on-balance volume or OBV has not been sustained on a parallel channel. It's fluctuating, but traders aren't fully giving up on reserve rights. On-balance volume is at 4.65 billion, and the movement reflects the unpredictability of reserve rights prices. Reserve rights price has broken through a minor support level of $0.017 and is now headed towards the 0.0166 support zone. The major support level is $0.0076. Reserve rights will face a challenge if the bearish trend pushes the price below the main support zone. The expected level of nearby resistance on a daily chart is $0.027. If RSR/USD breaks this level, the coin will go to test the 0.040 resistance level, which means the reserve rights price will have to rise. Before entering the uptrend towards an all-time high, the major resistance is located at $0.04365. The average directional index is going in the direction of 21.2, indicating a bearish trend. Reserve rights attempted to break out following the creation of a W pattern on the chart, but were unable to overcome the levels. It's formed a falling wedge on the chart after reaching the top levels. It will move into an uptrend if it breaks the level illustrated in the graph. According to technical analysis, it will move lower for the present section and then slightly upward in the coming days. If it fails to break through the resistance level, it will revert to a downtrend. Despite global attitudes, the reserve rights RSR/USD is heading below its 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA, which is bullish for the long term. It depicts sell sentiments in the cryptocurrency market with the expectation that the trend will reverse in the near term and prices will rise to new highs. The image depicts major technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index or RSI and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence MACD. The RSI is 26, indicating bearish momentum. Many traders are perplexed by their positions. The MACD line is also negative, and the current price movement is likely to continue in the coming trading sessions. The market mood is currently gloomy, but the long-term outlook may be good. The price of RSR is almost certain to climb from its current level in the foreseeable future. The reserve rights project's asset valuation is favorable for the future. The price of reserve rights will rise if the market cap is increased and the protocol is implemented without major flaws. Aggressive traders should enter here, while others should wait for trend confirmation. The current decline in the price of reserve rights may not be sustained for long. Now, why do we think the coin has the potential to do 40 times from the current price prediction? What are the factors which back the token to reach even higher? Reserve rights is a protocol for buying, keeping, and spending digital US dollars that were launched in 2019. Its primary purpose is to create a reliable transaction platform in countries that are at risk of hyperinflation. The reserve stablecoin RSV, which has a goal exchange rate of 1:1 with the USD and is utilized for everyday transactions, is one of the two tokens on the network. The reserve rights token RSR, on the other hand, is utilized to keep that aim and is more of an investment. The following is how it works. The exchange rate for RSV will most likely fluctuate above that of fiat USD during times of high demand. Coin holders can then use a smart contract to buy swap their RSR for RSV at $1 apiece. Then sell their RSV at market value, making a profit while bringing the price down to par. When there is a depth for demand for RSV, the exchange rate is likely to fall below that of fiat USD. Coin holders can then buy RSV at a discount and sell them for RSR through a smart contract at a 1:1 RSV to USD exchange rate, bringing the price back up to par. The whole thing is managed by smart contracts, and it can be done on a digital wallet just like other cryptos. But the capability of combining RSR and RSV is still in the works. The RSV stablecoin on the network are fully backed by a basket of other stablecoins and cryptocurrencies, including the USD coin, which is done through smart contracts. 1% of all RSV customer transactions, as well as any relevant capital gains, goes towards supporting the digital vault that offers such backing. Furthermore, users can have a direct say in its governance by voting with their RSR tokens to veto protocol proposals. As a result, developers cannot just create new coins in large quantities and cash out at the expense of everyone else. The Reserve Protocol's creators claim that at least 4,000 organizations are utilizing the program, which has over 100,000 downloads on Alphabet's Google Play Store. That's impressive given that Litecoin, the world's 16th largest cryptocurrency, is user accepted by only approximately 3,000 firms globally, and the developers of RSR can be trusted. The Reserve Protocol is backed by billionaire investor Peter Thiel, Coinbase Ventures, and Y Combinator's president Sam Altman. However, keep in mind that the app only works with the RSV stablecoin, and RSR functionalities are still in the works. There needs to be a word in the English language to represent something that is beyond your wildest dreams, yet not at all surprising once you figure it out. That's right. Venezuela, not the United States, is the country that is adopting reserve rights the fastest. Drew BINSKY, a well-known American adventurer and YouTuber, attempted to exchange $100 for Venezuelan bolivars on the streets of Caracas in May, but was unable to do so despite receiving boxes upon boxes of useless dollars. To address soaring inflation, the Venezuelan government will remove 6 zeros from its currency on October 1st. As a result, a majority of Venezuelans pay their transactions in US dollars. Users can deposit bolivars and get USD instantly using the Reserve app. This lets people buy goods and services instantaneously using electronic payments rather than bringing bundles of bolivars to the market to buy a fish, for example. Furthermore, this enables individuals to transfer their hard-earned money into stable currency, like the US dollar, as soon as their paychecks arrive, reducing the risk of additional inflation. On July 8th, it was the 4th most downloaded finance app in the country. Reserve Rights is a strong cryptocurrency for investors to check out because of its unique but developing dual-token architecture, institutional backing, democratized governance, and real-world uses. Furthermore, Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is a supporter of stablecoins and has asked for increased integracy collaboration to help the technology gain traction. Reserve has yet to be released on the mainnet. RSR will offer users arbitrage opportunities, but the specific nature of these changes is unknown until the protocol's full primary network launch. According to developers, the major network launch will happen very soon. That is, in fact, why the token is gaining popularity today. Users should expect the network to go live in full sometime in April or May, according to recent tweets. The RSR token's transaction volume is increasing in anticipation of the debut. Reserve rights transactions have increased by more than 80% in volume. RSR values are rising as a result of the announcement and the rush of buyers. Now when the mainnet releases, it will increase the token's price 40x fold. The present year is crucial for reserve rights because it has reached its highest price levels. Reserve rights, or RSR, are proving to be a popular long-term investment among crypto aficionados, with all predictions pointing to a bullish trend. With this, we've come to the end. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. Do let us know in the comment section below. Also, make sure that you like this video and comment down your thoughts regarding the video. And also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay updated about the latest videos.